aren't you?
Hi, Fien. Oh, wat een duilige badder. Dat is een duilige badder.
Towel kind of tastes good. Towel kind of tastes good. Not bad.
Hi. Oh. Oh.
He's talking.
Yeah.
What are you trying to say, Fien?
Yeah.
7 years ago, there was a Fien. Uh-oh. He's hungry. I wonder if that's the message.
Yes. Look at how pretty the towel is. It's Winnie the Pooh.
He loves his towel. He likes to eat it. That's how much he loves it. Hi, Fien. What you doing, little boy? What you doing?
Woo.